News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Reshma Tiwari, giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Delhi Transport Corporation, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Kalakshetra Foundation, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, Prasar Bharati News Services Division, All India Radio, Employees State Insurance Corporation, and Defence Bioengineering and Electromedical Laboratory, Bangalore. Delhi Transport Corporation invites applications for engagement of 10 contractual managers, mechanical or traffic, and 1 manager, IT. The appointment of contractual managers would initially be for a period of 1 year, which is extendable on year-to-year basis after giving 1 day break in service based on the performance of contract officers during the contract period and requirement of the corporation. Eligible and willing candidates may apply through the website www.dtc-rp.com. The last date for submission of online applications for the post of contractual managers on contract basis is 12th July 2022. For details, log on to the website www.dtc.delhi.gov.in. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, a national centre of the Government of India for nuclear science and mathematics and a deemed university, invites applications for 6 posts of Clerk A and 1 post of Security Guard, tenable at Mumbai. Online applications must be submitted by 23rd July 2022 and applications by post must reach Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai by 23rd July 2022. For other details such as qualification, experience, general information, log on to the website www.tifr.res.in. Applications are invited from suitable candidates for the following posts in various units of Kalakshetra Foundation. 3 posts of semi-skilled worker, Craft Education and Research Centre, 1 post of superintendent in Besant Cultural Centre Hostel, 2 posts of tutor, Bharatnatyam in Rukmini Devi College of Fine Arts, and 1 post of librarian, Rukmini Devi College of Fine Arts. Last date for receipt of applications shall be the 1st of August 2022. Detailed qualification and application format are available on the website www.kalakshetra.in. It is proposed to fill up 1 post of Assistant Purchase Officer on deputation basis in Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. The application, duly filled by the applicant on the prescribed proforma, should reach the concerned authority on or before 18th July 2022 with the attested copies of ACR or APARs for preceding 5 years. While forwarding such applications, it may be ensured that no departmental or disciplinary proceedings are pending or being contemplated against the officer, and a certificate to this effect shall be furnished. Further, an experience certificate in respect of the job profile of the officer shall also be forwarded with the application. Prasar Bharati News Services Division, All India Radio, invites applications from experienced and dynamic persons for engagement as assistant AV editors on full-time contract basis based at New Delhi. The services will be purely on contractual basis. The persons engaged shall have no claim, either implicit or explicit, for his or her absorption or regularization in Prasar Bharati. The person will be engaged on full-time basis and will not be allowed to take up any other assignment during the period of contractual engagement. Persons engaged on contract basis can be assigned additional tasks apart from the specific tasks for which they are engaged. Period of engagement shall initially be for 2 years with an annual appraisal, which may be extendable based on requirement of the organization and performance review. The engagement can be discontinued or terminated with 1 month notice or 1 month's salary in lieu thereof by either side without assigning any reason. No claim of pensionary benefit on account of this contractual engagement shall be admissible. Prasar Bharati reserves the right to conduct test and or interview of the shortlisted candidates. No TA or DA etc. will be paid for attending the test and or interview. Remuneration offered may be negotiated for suitable candidate at the sole discretion of Prasar Bharati. Those candidates who are eligible and willing to work on the mentioned terms and conditions in Prasar Bharati, having requisite qualification and experience, may apply online on Prasar Bharati web link applications.prasarbharati.org within 30 days from the date of publication on Prasar Bharati website, along with self-attested copies of supporting documents. In case of any difficulty in submission, it may be emailed to sati.kishore@gov.in along with screenshot of error. Employees State Insurance Corporation is a statutory body constituted under an Act of Parliament, ESI Act 1948, and works under the administrative control of Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. Employees State Insurance Corporation proposes to fill up the teaching faculty positions, Assistant Professor for ESIC, PGI, MSRs and ESIC medical colleges on direct recruitment basis in the following specialities: 19 vacancies in anatomy, 40 vacancies in anesthesiology, 14 vacancies in biochemistry, 33 vacancies in community medicine, 3 vacancies in dentistry, 5 vacancies in dermatology, 9 vacancies in emergency medicine, 5 vacancies in forensic medicine and toxicology, 51 vacancies in general medicine, 58 vacancies in general surgery, 28 vacancies in microbiology, 35 vacancies in obstetrician gynecologist, 18 vacancies in ophthalmology, 30 vacancies in orthopedics, 17 vacancies in otorhinolaryngology, 33 vacancies in pediatrics, 22 vacancies in pathology, 15 vacancies in pharmacology, 8 vacancies in physical medicine and rehabilitation, 14 vacancies in physiology, 7 vacancies in psychiatry, 14 vacancies in radiodiagnosis, radiology, 6 vacancies in respiratory medicine, 4 vacancies of statistician, and 3 vacancies in transfusion medicine blood bank. Last date of receipt of application is 18th July 2022 and the last date for receipt of application from candidates residing in Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Lahore and Spiti district and Pangi subdivision of Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh and the Union Territories of Ladakh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep will be 25th July 2022. Full details about the vacancies can be obtained from the website www.esic.nic.in. Defence Bioengineering and Electromedical Laboratory, DEBEL, Bangalore, a premier institute of defence research and development organisation, DRDO, is engaged in research and development work in life support systems, biomedical devices, environmental protection systems and aircrew protective systems. DEBEL is looking for meritorious, young and motivated researchers to pursue a career in these frontier areas. DEBEL invites applications from young and meritorious Indian nationals with requisite qualifications who desire to pursue defence-related research as junior research fellows. Selection will be made on the basis of online or offline interviews. After ensuring that they fulfill all the eligibility conditions, candidates should download and fill the application form available on the What's New section of the website www.drdo.gov.in. The closing date of receipt of applications shall be 15 days after publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.